guys, welcome back to our channel. We are upstairs and we're going to clean the entire upstairs. That being said, our kids are back in school and there's far less messes in our main living spaces. We literally don't have to clean beyond the kids going to school because their chores are done 100% before they go to school. And
they've been doing a good job.
Yeah. And they have been playing outside when it's not rainy, and so the inside is staying pretty clean. I'll show you the playroom area here is not messy at all, and it's literally been 2 weeks since we've cleaned it, so that's kind of a plus in my book. Even though I kind of let them have free reign up here, that's still a plus. We are going to vacuum the entire upstairs in this video just because I want it to be all clean. If we can vacuum in the girls' rooms, we'll vacuum in there. Might have to toss some things onto the bed, but I'm not cleaning. We're not cleaning their room today.
No.
They can put their own stuff away. So let's just get right to it. Let's just go clean this whole main floor. You ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's go clean.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a what they say. And now you know it. Hey little lady, said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're not done yet.
I just have socks. 2 shorts, 3 pairs of pants, and 6 shirts.
In 1 week.
No. That's not just 1 week. I'm sorry, it's not 1 week.
Problems, I might go insane. I don't really give it what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.
All right, you guys, we're actually gonna call it today. We went into our girls' rooms, and I'm not saying that it's a disaster in their bedrooms, but it was enough of a mess that we decided to not do it for them.
Yeah, the clothes on the bed would have been like
piled high. Some of them just didn't make their bed, whatever.
typical kid stuff.
One of them slept on the floor last night.
Which one?
I think Chelsea did. Because all the blankets are on the floor and the pillow was stacked up. So I don't want to do it. And they've been doing really good downstairs with their regular chores. And so I don't feel like it's a big deal for me to ask them to clean their room for themselves instead of me doing it.
No,
so
they're part of the household. They can do their rooms.
Yeah. So anyway, we're going to end this video here, you guys. We appreciate you coming along.
Thank you.
It's kind of a shorter cleaning than I thought it was going to be. Yeah. But it does show that we are, for the most part, keeping the house clean when the kids are in school, which is really, really nice. So
good luck with your cleaning and all the things you want to get done. Hopefully our channel Dayna's channel inspires you.
Oh, it's yours too. It's fine.
Inspires you to craft, clean, chill, whatever you want to do. So thanks for watching.
Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.